What is up, y'all? I am back with another video for you, and today I want to do my morning skincare routine. As you guys know, if you watch some of my videos, I'm very bad at cleansing my face in the morning. So this year in 2018, I am going to change that up and cleanse my face every morning. So if you guys want to know what I do in the morning and how I take care of my skin, just keep on watching. So first, what I like to do is put my hair up and then put my hair into a headband just to make sure all my hair is out of my face, which I do get baby hairs out of there, but I do the best I can. Okay guys, so the first thing I do for my skincare is using my Vanity Planet spin brush, which usually I will use the exfoliating brush at night and then just the normal cleansing brush in the morning and at night as well. So I'll use my Vanity Planet spin brush with the Cetaphil cleansing, and this just cleanses my face and it's really good for acne prone skin, but mine, as you guys know, it breaks out really easily, so I do use just my acne cleanser at night. So I just use the Cetaphil in the morning, then I go in with the second time and cleanse my face just to make sure everything is completely clean and nothing's there and I wasn't just pushing around dirty water and dirty skin, everything, just to make sure my face is completely clean. Also, shout out to my brother that I'm using the mic he got me for my YouTube channel, and this is working awesome and I don't have to use headphones anymore. I actually have a real mic. I'm getting ahead of the game, y'all. Thank you, Crosby. So after I cleanse my face, I will get a dry, clean towel and dry off my face. After I cleanse my face and dry it off, I like to go in with my Purity makeup wipes or cleansing wipes and make sure I get everything off my face completely and make sure there's nothing left over. And then I will moisturize with any moisturizer that I have. So I will go back and forth with moisturizers. So I usually use the Tarte H2O moisturizer, but today in the morning I really like to use the Origins Ginseng Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. This is very refreshing on my face and it smells like oranges as well, so I really like that. Then for my eyes, I will use the eye cream from the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream, and it brightens and depuffs your eyes, and I think it's really good because I do believe it does brighten my eyes, so I like that. Next, I like to use a serum on my face, and usually I use the Makeup Forever Skin Booster Ultra HD or the Caudalie serum. I don't know, it just kind of looks like this. So I will use that depending on what that is, and then depending on the morning, because my lips need to be exfoliated, usually I use the Lush Bubblegum Lip Scrub, but I just got the Jeffree Star Lip Scrub, and this is in the Lemon Icebox Cookie, and it really smells amazing and it tastes like lemon, so I liked this, and I also liked how it felt on my lips. It did really well. And then I'll go in with any chapstick I like. So my favorite is Baby Lips, and I forgot that I had this Tarte Quench lip thing and I wanted to try that out, so I tried that out today, and that was in the shade Nude as well. And the last step, the most important step, is to stay hydrated and drink lots of water. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Give it a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. Also hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday as well. And also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll all be linked down below. And I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye!
I've tried these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be and the simple souls we used to see?